You want the power of the KTM, but then you also want the Himalayan for its off-roading capabilities. What do? Well, for me the simple solution was to buy them both. I know it's weird. I know I could have chosen the KTM 390 Adventure, but then what if you want to keep them separate? What if you want the KTM to ride fast in the city? And then what if you want to ride the Himalayan on off-road trails? Well, as I said, the solution is you buy them both, and that's what exactly I did. It's a long wait of 3 months, and finally the day has come for me to go pick up the Himalayan. Just got a call from the showroom. They told me the bike's ready. Let's go and pick up the Himalayan. Let me give you a bird's eye view of what buying or owning a Royal Enfield feels like. Let's go. Alright guys, I've just reached the Royal Enfield showroom located in Indiranagar, Bangalore. Let's get in and check it out. Section or reach out to me via Instagram for any questions that you might have. Royal Enfield will give you free fuel of around 3 liters before the delivery of the bike, and the fuel is poured right in front of your eyes, unlike other bike manufacturers.
No, now they don't have. They right one. They'll write one. The same number that you have. That is temporary. 74.
The service advisor will give you a demo of the entire bike, and all your questions can be clarified with them.
Starting time is throttle and the throttle sensor accelerator this diesel it's always automatic. Passing light, okay. Left indicator, okay. Right indicator, right indicator. Or it is स्टार्ट ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಗಾಡಿ ಆಂಗ್ಲ ಎರಡು ಕಡೆ ABS ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಇದೆ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ವೀಲ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ವೀಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಈ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ನ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಒಂದು 5 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೈ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಲಿಂಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ವೀಲ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೌದು ಗಾಡಿ ಓಡಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ರೆ ಬ್ಲಿಂಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಬ್ಲಿಂಕ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ABS ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ವೀಲ್ದು ತಿರ್ಗಾ ರೀಸೆಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇಗ್ನಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ರೀಸೆಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಲಾಂಗ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಟೇಕ್ 5300 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ. ಇಲ್ಲ ದಿನಮೇಲೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ.
Give off an 100 rupees, man. After a quick photo session, the bike is yours to finally admire what you've been waiting for such a long time. The Himalayan is finally home where it belongs. We have the KTM Duke and the Himalayan, a combination of power and off-roading capabilities. If you have any questions about these two bikes, please reach out to me via the comment section or via Instagram. Thank you for watching this video and feel free to ask any questions that you may have.